Hello, Cows Pack. I'm here to announce this year's class of the William Neal Reynolds Distinguished Professorship. This professorship is one of the college's highest honors, created to recognize outstanding scholars, leaders, teachers, and mentors. The endowment, established in 1950 by its namesake, funds the award, which was designed to strengthen teaching, research, and extension programs in various fields of agriculture to improve quality of life in rural North Carolina. Reynolds was the longtime president and board chair of the Reynolds Tobacco Company, and we named previous classes in 2015 and 2019. This year, we received over 35 nominations from faculty across our college, each of which were inspiring and uplifting. The impact of our faculty on agriculture and life sciences in North Carolina, the region, and the world is incredible. Simply being nominated should be a point of pride for all nominees. I am now pleased to announce the 2024 class of William Neal Reynolds Distinguished Professorships in our college here at NC State University. First, Kenneth Anderson, Prestige Department of Poultry Science. From Frank Seward. One of a kind is an accurate way to describe the impact of Dr. Kenneth Anderson's legacy in the egg-laying industry. With an academic career spanning more than 33 years at NC State, he has touched almost every aspect of the industry and commands high respect from the full spectrum of his stakeholders. Dr. Carolyn Bird, Department of Agriculture and Human Sciences. From Ben Chapman, Dr. Bird's exceptional contributions and unwavering commitment to addressing and reducing barriers for food-insecure households in both English and Spanish have made her a true pioneer and invaluable asset to our institution and community. Dr. Bird has no doubt improved the well-being of North Carolinians and enhanced the state's economic and social systems. Dr. Jeffrey Buckle, Department of Applied Ecology. Dr. David Andow notes that Jeff is a paragon of what scholars consider to be an excellent scholar. He has an innate curiosity coupled with a steadfast aim to ensure his research help improve fisheries management. Jeff has developed several methods for estimating marine fish mortality that are now widely emulated. Dr. Christine Hawks, Department of Plant and Microbial Biology. Dr. Bob Franks notes that her research addresses the impact of the plant microbiome, specifically fungal symbionts, endophytes, and communities that affect growth in food crops in both temperate and tropical climates. She is a leader of a highly successful NC State research team and a highly sought-after collaborator. She mentors undergraduates and graduate students, postdoctoral researchers through successful careers in the life sciences, while organizing and leading symposiums throughout the country. Dr. Sunwoo Kim, Department of Animal Science. Todd C. notes that Dr. Sunwoo Kim is a great scientist, scholar, teacher, and interpreter who is making a local and global impact. His research on amino acid requirements has changed the manner in which these are supplemented in swine diets during pregnancy and lactation of sows, and during periods of rally development and growth of pigs. Notably, the concept of phase feeding for sows has been adopted by the U.S. National Research Council for Nutrient Requirements of Swine. Dr. Kim and his colleagues were the first to coin the concept of a functional amino acids in animal agriculture. Dr. Ramon Leon, Department of Crop and Soil Science. And his department head, Dr. Jeff Malahy, notes that his contributions to weed science and agronomy are recognized nationally and internationally. His research is focused on generating key information for the development of integrated approaches that are not only allow us to manage weeds effectively, but also delay weed adaptations to control practices. His research combines plant ecophysiology, evolutionary genetics, and agricultural practices while incorporating cutting-edge technologies such as genome sequencing, drones, statistical modeling, and machine learning. Dr. Frank Lowe's, Department Head of Horticultural Sciences. From Dr. Tom Rainey, Frank has developed a truly exceptional program at NC State that focuses on integrated pest management and sustainable agriculture for horticultural crops. His accomplishments, productivity, leadership, and impacts are awe-inspiring. He leads large, interdisciplinary teams, tackles complex and compelling problems in addressing bacterial, fungal, and soil-borne disease management on diverse crops. Dr. Alina Cassada, Department of Entomology and Plant Pathology. Dr. Carolyn Young, department head, notes that she demonstrates the qualities of a great scholar, interpreter, and scientist. Dr. Cassada has established a unique paradigm for extension and research that extends from discovery research in genomics to the translation of her research for innovative and effective disease management in vegetable crops grown in North Carolina and beyond. Next, Dr. Josh Heightman, Department of Crop and Soil Sciences. Dr. Jeff Malahy notes, Dr. Heightman is an internationally respected expert in the field of soil physics. He's been a leader in developing novel field measurement approaches for near-surface soil properties and building models for improved prediction of soil hydraulic and thermal property dynamics. He's worked to advance economic and environmental conditions for North Carolina throughout his applied work to improve agronomic water and soil management and to reduce erosion and sediment contamination of surface waters. Dr. Hiiki Sedov, Department of Plant and Microbial Biology. From Dr. Bob Franks, Dr. Sedov expertise is in integrating plant physiology research with systems biology to advance fundamental understanding of plant processes and to develop innovative technologies for sustainable agriculture. Her research is highly collaborative across NC State University, industry, and internationally. She's developed and delivered courses in plant physiology, ag biotech, sustainable agriculture, and computational biology, all of which reflect her ability to grasp and teach diverse topics in the training of future students. Dr. Ling Wong Lee, Department of Biological and Ag Engineering. From Dr. Natalie Nelson, Dr. Wong Lee is an expert in air quality and environmental impacts of animal feeding operations and engineering approaches to designing animal housing to simultaneously improve animal welfare and mitigate emissions. Her work is inherently interdisciplinary, requiring collaborations across animal and environmental sciences and engineering, and well supported by federal sponsors. Her scholarship is at the leading edge of her discipline. The focus of her research is local, national, and international importance. And she is internationally renowned and respected for her contributions. Dr. Anna Whitfield, Department of Entomology and Plant Pathology. And from Dr. Carolyn Young, Department Head, Professor Whitfield is recognized as one of the top plant virologists in the world, an authority on vector-borne plant diseases. She maintains an innovative and transformative research program at the intersection of plant pathology, virology, and entomology. Her research endeavors to unravel the molecular interactions between insect vectors and plant pathogenic viruses, and will develop biotechnological tools to manage plant virus diseases and improve plant health. Dr. Whitfield has shown her entrepreneurial side with 2 invention disclosures and 4 patents that encapsulate her research, each of which will be a game changer for developing and maintaining resistant crops. On behalf of all of the administration within the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences, again, congratulations to all of those faculty that were nominated, and especially to our 12 new William Neal Reynolds Distinguished Professors. What a special group, and we look forward to your many valuable future contributions to your departments, to our college, and to NC State University. Go Pack!